Have you also heard that 60, 70, or 80% of jobs will be done by AI very soon? Maybe in a few years. Many companies have begun claiming it will be done within 6 months or maximum 12 months. Are these really genuine questions? There are genuine concerns, genuine estimates, or is it overhyped market which is trying to scare off? Social media is currently flooded with such a news, such videos, and influencers are adding on top of that. Today, every other video is about AI and how it is killing your jobs. Hi, my name is Mukesh. I'm in the IT industry for last 18 years. I've seen through tremendous modifications, improvement, and changes in the IT industry and its landscape. I have been working in the IT industry, and the biggest risk AI is posing is to IT industry itself and the software development. Fortunately, I'm not in the software development, but it's not a segment which is completely untouched or unheard for me. I have been in the software development also for quite some time. Hence, I have analyzed and dissected this news, how exactly it is going to impact everyone's life in general, and specifically focused on IT and software development. When was the last time when you heard such a scenario? Have you heard this ever in your life that there is such a major impact going to happen because of some kind of new technology which has come to the market? If I remember correctly, similar statements were made, similar kind of philosophies and similar kind of projections when computer initially made inroads into the IT industry. When computers were initially used for most of the tasks and they started spreading in multiple sectors and domains. There was similar kind of scaremongering, and we heard the news that computers will take over all kind of jobs and there will be no more jobs left for anyone. Maybe serving water, doing restaurant job, running your cars, providing electricity, managing your day-to-day job, everything will be done by computers. The fact is, computers generated more jobs and created prosperity. Will the case be same with AI also, or is it going to be different? Is it posing a real challenge to us? First casualty of AI has been the software development itself, but it is obviously expanding into other zones and other domains also. The process of software development, website and app development has been automated for in last several years. I have seen the complete evolution of software and web development. There used to be codes which were being written, then there were some portals which came up with templates, then there were some themes which were created, and all this was kind of automation. AI is doing the same kind of things but a bit more efficient. So there has nothing changed catastrophic. The improvement has always been there, but AI has impacted it or enhanced it much faster, much better. I remember that I had created multiple websites using the templates and portals which are being provided. So without writing a code, it was possible even then also to develop a website or create an app. This is not something new, but yes, now we can simply write a few sentences and we can get our app or web generated, or we can get the code generated. But the bigger question is, does this meet the enterprise standards of coding, security, and scalability? If we dig a bit more and ask us a question, can AI create enterprise solution like SAP or Salesforce? Can it create an operating system like iOS or Android? Can it create Windows operating system? Is it possible for AI to do that at the same level, with the same level of functionalities, with the same level of scalability, with the same levels of bugs and security management? Is it possible for AI to do all this? AI can definitely create some small softwares, small websites, and some parts of code which can be later used in an enterprise-wide solution, but there needs to be a human in between. I can see that AI may advance in future and may be able to create better and better softwares, but will it be able to create another SAP? Will it be able to create another Salesforce? Or will it be able to create another Android or iOS? I doubt it. Would it still be able to match enterprise standards? That is another big question. And then, who would take the responsibilities of bugs, security fixes? What happens if there are exponential losses because of a decision being made by AI? What happens if there are some failures or bugs in the code and it needs to be troubleshooted? Do we not need human for that? Yes, it is required. Most of you who have been using cloud infrastructure already know that most of the cloud infrastructure can be automated. It can be even 100% automated. The pipelines can be automatically executed. But we also know that most of the organizations do not run the pipelines 100% and do not go for the release automatically without human intervention or without review. Even the infrastructure expansion, which is possible automatically, even that is being observed manually by someone. There are users, developers, architects who are continuously reviewing the infrastructure. If you know any kind of enterprise who has allowed 100% expansion of infrastructure, then definitely let me know in the comment section. And I have worked with some of the major organizations across the globe. I have worked with wide range of enterprises, and I have not seen any of them using completely automated infrastructure expansion or release pipelines. Do you know that most of the airplanes can run 100% automated? However, there are two pilots still flying in every airplane. This tells you a story. This tells you something that even if everything can be automated, even if a machine, a code, a system can run 100% automatically, still there is a human intervention required. There is a human required at every place to make critical decisions and to take things which are beyond the imagination or control of artificial intelligence or any other such systems. If you find the answer of question why is there pilot in an airplane despite planes being capable, fully automated, the answer will give you a complete new glimpse towards the AI. While AI can do everything, still you need someone to observe it, validate its action. Recently, Elon Musk said that most of the surgeons will lose the job soon and there is no future in medical industry now. He said that most of the surgeries will be performed by automated robots. But here is a question. Would Elon Musk himself rely on such an automated robot? Would he go to an operation theater and get a surgery performed 100% without any manual intervention or human observation, just by machines, just by robots? Would he dare to do that? We all know the answer, and that answer tells us the story that even if everything can be done by AI, everything can be done by robotics, everything can be automated, despite that we need human factor. How many companies will allow AI to run 100% of its infrastructure, its application, and will be able to take control or give full control to the AI systems? Do let me know in the comment section if you know any such enterprise or any such organization which is 100% managed by artificial intelligence or any such systems. I'm sure you must have heard about driverless cars also. Driverless cars have been there in the experiment for last 25 years or more than that. I have seen it in Expo, I have seen it in news most of the time, and you would have also heard about the same. However, how many automated cars or autonomous cars have you seen around you? Have you seen that the roads are flooded with autonomous cars? And if not, why not? Why do people still prefer manual car instead of autonomous cars? This is one of the best examples to showcase how much trust people have on machines, AI, or any other code. While driverless cars have been there for more than 25 years, its market share is still negligible. So it's not about what AI can do, how much AI can do, and how efficiently it can do. The question is, would any enterprise, any human being 100% rely on AI, a robot, or any other autonomous system? Recently, Claude Code released a new model for legal and financial analysis. Legal and financial consultancy, this is another section, another domain where there seems to be a risk of AI impact. There's possibility, and at least some of the experts or the influencers giving an idea that it is highly likely that in future all the legal consultancies and all the financial analysis will be done completely by AI. But is it really possible? Tell me, which lawyer is going to take a print out of legal documents out of Claude Code or any other AI system and directly submit it to the court without any human intervention, without any review, without reading this document again and making corrections again and again? Can a policeman go and file a charge sheet generated by AI? Do you imagine such a scenario? Or can a company go ahead and publish a financial report generated by AI without reviewing it, without studying it manually, without getting it validated by the manual experts? At all stages, a human is required to review it, to validate it, to check it, to confirm it. And that's where I doubt the impact of AI. AI is being inflated by not only the companies, but the big influencers. In my analysis, AI is going to make similar kind of impact to our life as computers made. It will challenge the format of jobs which we currently have. It will improve the efficiency. It will make us more intelligent. It will enable us to do more, to do it more efficiently. But we who are ready to adopt to the new changes, who are ready to adopt to the new ways of working, would definitely survive the impact of AI too.